told your friend you're not okay.
Hello lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to the beach. So I'm just from the bathhouse and I'm about to get ready for us to go to the beach. So of all days, it decided to rain today. My goodness, I was just hoping and praying that this rain just... Oh no, it hasn't stopped raining today of all days, and it's just getting heavier and heavier and heavier. Hi, I'm back again and I'm all dressed up. So initially we're supposed to go to the beach, yes, but it has rained heavy here, so going to the beach will not be as nice as it was planned. Okay, so now we've decided to go to a local place, eat some local dishes or dish. Yeah, so come with us and let's go and enjoy ourselves. See you. So I told these girls that we're going to catwalk. We are all set and ready. Our Uber is outside and we decided to take some videos before leaving. So you don't know the song. Yeah. Join over TJ night. To Sister Miami. And if I were having to give me my meal, this is my way. So we are finally at the place. The place is called The Tree, and yes, and when we got there, the way we expected the place to be, it wasn't like that. The girls were even suggesting that we go somewhere else. However, do not judge a book by its cover, because these people's fufu and soup was on another level. We got to see a few celebrities around, and come on, we needed to start digging in, so that's exactly what we are doing. Man, I was enjoying this fufu and light soup. Their food is quite affordable, yet the fufu is small, but it's delicious. Look at this one with her shiny lips. The fufu is done. We had to buy second round before we felt like we were satisfied, but still. So we are done. I'll give them 9/10 because the fufu was small but it was delicious. I'll give them 10/10 for service. So I'm looking nice. I'm trying to look good, like I've not eaten food the whole day. Yes. So your girls got a ride from a very nice gentleman. When you look in the previous video, there was a man entering his car the other side of the road. He offered to give us a ride and he was just so funny. And they were sitting where? Beside us. So no many were. Look at the zongo Joanna has brought us to. Domia bra. Hey you guys, I'm left behind. Look at this. Baby, who's so she? When the baby best Oh, we've crossed the road, the Red Sea. We've crossed the Red Sea. Near the trip. So after leaving Joanna's place, we decided to pass by Chicken Man, get some pizza, and just munch on it. I went to place an order and my girls were admiring me from afar. Oh, I love you girls too. Okay, the pizza is finally here. The big coke is 20 cedis. Yeah, the big coke is 20 cedis. In this hard economy, they wanted me to leave the cook. I said no. I took my thing.
I taking video. Okay, it's a wrap up. Bye. Let's
We are finally headed back to campus and we are all exhausted, so everybody is quiet in the car. We are back to the premier University of Ghana. We are walking towards our hall and like I said, we are all exhausted. We are finally at my hall. I can't wait to get inside. A room, sweet room. And that feeling when you take the wig off. So we just got back from our outing. I'm so exhausted, so I'm just going to wash down, then I would just go to bed. So I'll see you guys later. I love you guys. If you liked this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. See you in my next